Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your study abroad journey with Kaplan, full guide step by step clearly. Choosing to study abroad is an exciting opportunity that can shape your future. To ensure you get the most out of your journey, planning is essential. First, research the countries and universities that align with your academic goals. Identify programs that offer courses relevant to your field of study. Consider cultural factors, climate, and lifestyle when making your choice. Next, explore Kaplan's study abroad options. Kaplan offers various programs tailored to different academic needs and destinations. Visit their website to compare options and gather essential information. Reach out to Kaplan advisors for personalized guidance. They can help clarify program specifics, requirements, and timelines. Prepare your application materials well in advance. This includes transcripts, recommendations, and personal statements. Ensure that all documents align with the requirements set by your chosen institution. Once accepted, it's time to focus on logistics. Look into accommodation options offered by your program or local sources. Decide on your living arrangements early to avoid last-minute stress. Additionally, research visa requirements for your destination country. Gather necessary documents and apply as soon as you receive your acceptance letter. Understanding the financial aspects is crucial. Create a comprehensive budget covering tuition, living expenses, and travel. Explore scholarships and financial aid opportunities through Kaplan. Consider part-time work options if your visa permits. Next, immerse yourself in the culture before you arrive. Learn some basic phrases of the local language. Familiarize yourself with cultural norms and customs. Stay connected with other students through online forums or social media groups. Networking can provide valuable insights and make the transition smoother. Prepare for your departure by organizing your packing list. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.